Step 1. Check all accessories in the package. Step 2. Take the inner track and slide it into the outer track. Step 3. Pick up the ceiling bracket. Step 4. Use the screws to attach the ceiling brackets to the marked installation points on the ceiling, but do not fully tighten the screws yet. Step 5. Attach the anti-slide plate to the head of the inner track to keep it securely in place. Demonstration. Use the ceiling bracket small to mount the inner track, and the ceiling bracket large for the outer track. Step 6. Secure the track onto the ceiling bracket. Step 7. Tighten all the screws securely. Demonstration. Unlock the track from the ceiling bracket.